Guys, if you want to change your Facebook account name, this video will show you the easiest step-by-step method. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and make sure your Facebook app is updated. Once it's updated, open the app. The account you're currently logged into will open automatically. Now, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. At the top, you'll see your Facebook profile name. If you've created any Facebook pages, they'll appear in the Shortcuts section below. You can also change your page name using a similar method, although there are some limitations that I'll explain later. Next, go to Settings. You can either tap the Settings icon at the top or scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Once you're in Settings, open Account Center. This is where you can manage your password, profile information, and account details. Now, tap Profiles, then Personal Details. If your Instagram account is linked to Facebook, you'll see both accounts here. If not, you'll only see your Facebook profile. Select your Facebook profile, then tap Name. Here, you can edit your first name, middle name if you have one, and last name. Before changing your name, keep in mind that Facebook has limitations. You cannot change your name whenever you want. After changing it once, you'll need to wait before changing it again, so make sure the new name is correct. After entering your new name, tap Review Change. Facebook may show a couple of suggested name formats based on what you entered. Choose the one you prefer, then tap Save Changes. That's it. Your Facebook profile name will be updated successfully. If this video helped you, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.